Hello everyone. If you read the title, you know what we are doing. But if you didn't, we're doing PvP birds only. Rules are you catch the first bird you see if your bird dies 3 times. That's it, and that's all I can remember for now. So first I need to pick a name. Now I'll skip to the lab. Of course you don't want to see me scrolling, so I'll speed it up. Once I got to the grass, I tried to get a bird, but the trainer jumped me. But the battle was boring, so I skipped it. My first bird. I killed it. Me hunting for another. Yes. This will be important in the future, hopefully. Now I'm in the next route. Hopefully I'll catch a good bird. My camera cuts out in the middle of this. BYE.